your girl, Epo Bellissima. It's been a long time you saw me on YouTube. Don't worry, I've been doing other things, that's why. On today's recipe, we are coming to do very simple meal. That's white sauce with pasta. In Italian, we call it panna, pasta and panna. But with our recipe today, we are going to use sea fish and then vegetables to do our white sauce or panna with our pasta. So let's go on and start. So today's recipe, as I told you earlier, we are coming to do pasta and then panna or white sauce with pasta. I've already put our water on fire. So I'm coming to put my pasta inside. The water is already boiled. I'm coming to put our pasta inside. We add our salt. It's okay. So guys, those are our ingredients for today for our recipe. Our bell peppers, carrots, white onion, and then chopped garlic. And this is our seafood, grated cheese. This is our panna. That's the white cream that we are coming to use. Our salty taste, if needed. And then our olive oil, canned mushroom. We have our canned mushroom, and then our spices to taste. So let's go on with our ingredients. I forgot to add, this one is like salted fish. If you add it, it's very good. So let's start. Below it, we add a little bit of olive oil to fry our vegetables. Just a little bit. I'm adding my onions. Just half size of onion. My onion and then 3 cloves of garlic. You leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to stir it a bit, fry it a bit. Let's leave it. Right now I'm adding my already chopped carrots and then the bell peppers. I'm adding everything together. And you stir it a bit. After, we are going to add our sea fish. You leave it for another 2 minutes. Very simple recipe. I'm adding one salted fish of this together, and then add our sea fish too. It's very simple. I'm going to finish right now. Because of the sea fish, I'm adding a little bit of black pepper. Just a little of black pepper. Then we add our spices to taste. Just a little. Then we stir it again. Very simple recipe. I'm adding the water that is on the mushroom inside. Read the water. are just going to fry it just 2 minutes because we don't want our vegetable to be too soft. Leave it for 2 minutes, then we add our mushroom and then our cream, white cream, that's the panna. I'm adding my mushroom, my canned mushroom. Then we add our white cream. That's the panna. That's how it looks like. Add everything. We are using two of the panna. Stir everything together. That's how it looks like. Very simple recipe. Everyone can try it at home. Very simple. We are going to leave it for 3 to 4 minutes, then we add our grated cheese to it. If you want your white sauce to be very delicious, add more grated cheese. Because of the grated cheese and then the spices that we added it, I'm not going to add any salt. The taste that I'm looking for, I've got it, so I'm not going to add any salt. Our panna is almost done, almost ready. If you have children at home, they really love it. You can try some for them. We're going to leave it for another 3 minutes. Then our white panna is ready. Our white sauce is ready. Our panna is ready. Guys, look at it. Our panna is ready, so I'm offing our light. I'm offing my fire. The pasta is still hard, so I want the pasta to be a little bit soft. After then, we mix everything together. We are going to see it. Our pasta is ready, and I've already strained it. So I'm coming to add my white sauce, my panna. Let me add it. Let me mix it. That's creamy sauce with pasta and vegetables. It's ready. I come to serve it. My pasta. pasta with panna or pasta with white sauce. Very creamy. Very creamy. Then you add your grated cheese on top of it. Just bring it on top of it. Very delicious. Coming to taste it, eh? If you haven't tried this recipe, I recommend it to you to try it at home. It's very simple, fast, and delicious. Very, very delicious. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and comment. We are going to see you in our next episode.